That's a great question, especially for charities and nonprofits. They're at the whim of their sponsorships, of their donations as they come through, as they come past that. Also with various board members and other individuals that sit and steer those uh, companies in in different directions in some cases. But each one of those, in most cases, we find sometimes with a nonprofit because they have so many various interfaces to other nonprofits, it becomes almost becomes an open security risk in some cases because their interfaces to those other companies, and especially depending on what they're dealing with, sometimes they do have some customer information that needs to be secured in the some HIPAA compliant, obviously some personal information, PII, as well as obviously PCI compliance when it comes to credit card and financial informations. So those in some cases, because they don't look at that because as a nonprofit, sometimes they're not as savvy and not exposed to some of the IT needs that are out there that larger enterprises use. And luckily for a lot of them, they do have a lot of enterprise individual board members that certainly drive that, but sometimes they drive it at a very high cost. They're used to dealing with, the Oracles of the world and Microsofts, which sometimes it's not affordable for a nonprofit. So we tried again to find and accommodate technology that makes sense for them, that they need in order to do their day-to-day function.